Since 1957, Aggie nukes have been at the forefront of advances in clean energy solutions, healthcare science, and new technologies in national defense.
We fulfill a very specialized role, but we fulfill that role across many different industries. Everything from medicine to work in the hospitals, to nuclear power, to space exploration, to food and product sterilization. You won't believe how many foods at your local grocery store are sterilized with radiation.
These fields describe just a few of the endless possibilities available with a nuclear engineering degree from Texas A&M, where the work our alumni are doing is not only making today's world a better place, but creating a better blueprint for the world of tomorrow.
Yesterday I met one of my students at a conference. She took the senior design courses with me, was the founding member of our Women in Nuclear chapter, which I advise. She's now employed by Duke Energy. She has a high-level engineering position, and she is really excited to come back and recruit students from our department, which is very exciting to me.
The skills that our graduates develop, whether under a traditional nuclear engineering degree or in the discipline of radiological health, give them an edge in any workplace in the industry.
We have to take a whole lot of other engineering classes, so we get to learn a whole bunch of different skills. So you can go out and do basically whatever you want, like radiation technicians who work with cancer treatments in hospitals, or you can do the opposite end of the spectrum and go to nuclear power plants where you can work on cleaner energy to power entire cities.
Some of the benefits of pursuing a radiological health minor are that you could go into nuclear science, you could go into nuclear chemistry, radiation therapy is a big one, among other things.
Our graduates are employed across the globe at companies including NASA, Sandia National Laboratories, Halliburton, and countless other corporations and government agencies.
Our students have a variety of career options that they choose. They go into consulting firms, they go work for the government, perhaps at national labs, some go to the CIA. I have one student who works for ExxonMobil. Yes, he's a nuclear engineer, but his education is broad enough that ExxonMobil uses his talents in uncertainty quantification and analyzing what's underground.
Nuclear engineering students at Texas A&M have the privilege of joining the largest nuclear engineering program in the nation, and the only program that houses 2 working nuclear reactors.
We actually have the opportunity to work hands-on with these reactors, and we're actually required before we graduate to bring one of our reactors to full power, to start it up, and to actually run experiments on it.
Our students are involved in a variety of groundbreaking research disciplines in the areas of thermal hydraulics, reactor physics, computational mathematics, and many more exciting specializations.
I went to Iceland for a green energy renewable trip where I did a capstone project all on small-scale nuclear reactors, which was phenomenal. I had no idea that those kind of reactors were out there, that those opportunities were there in my future. And that's really what I've decided to go into once I finish my time here at Texas A&M.
A degree in nuclear engineering at Texas A&M is more than just a degree. It's a window to limitless opportunities and the know-how to make dreams into reality.
One of the things that I think is particularly unique about Texas A&M is that they embody a set of values that are transcendent. And they're values that you find in many companies and many organizations. There are 3 in particular that I took away from my time at Texas A&M. And those 3 are leadership, service, and excellence.
The field of nuclear engineering is a challenging combination of mathematics, physics, and science that gives you not only the potential to thrive in any environment, but to make things better for society and the world. Dream bigger, climb higher, and build it better. Don't just graduate with a degree. Expedite your future and become an Aggie Nuke.